In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Cruze key fob. Replacing your battery at home is a very easy process and it takes under 5 minutes. The only things you will need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. Now, if you want to get one of those online, you can go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. One quick note, there are two versions of this. I believe one has there's a 5-button version and the 4-button that I have here. It doesn't matter which version you have, the process will be the same and the battery will be the same as well. So just follow along with me here. Now the first step is to come over and to find this silver button on the side of your device. Hold that down while you pull out the internal key. And now we're going to hold on to this key because we're going to use this to push off the back section of plastic here. I'll give you a quick demonstration and then I'll tell you what we're really doing here. So you're going to get it stuck in there and you just push the back section of plastic off. The trick is to not put it in too far. If you put it in too far, you can bend all you want. It's actually trapped under a piece of plastic in there. That's not what we want. You want to be just barely on the inside. You'll feel there's kind of a spot where it locks in, where the key is at this angle, and it's not straight, it's not in too far. Right about there. Oops, right there. And then what you're going to do is just apply pressure up. You're prying up. There we go. You just pry it up, and then you can pull it apart with your fingers. Now, just to illustrate what I was just saying, if you put the key in too far, it is under that plastic, and you can pull all you want, and it's not going anywhere. We want to be just in here so that when we pry, we have this ability to move and push this piece up. Once you try it, you'll get a hang of it. It's really not that difficult. And once you do it, once you get it cracked open, now we're just going to go ahead and grab this flathead screwdriver and we're just going to simply get under the battery and lift it right up and out. You could use kind of any tool you have lying around, maybe even with your fingernail, but I find this is just easier. Now, you can take your old battery, dispose of it, and when you're getting your new battery, one, make sure it's a 2032 battery, and two, make sure the positive side that has the plus and the text on it is facing down. So we're going to find that battery housing in there, going to set the battery in, just double check, yes, set that in positive side down, and then click it into place. And once it is all set in there, you can just click the two halves of the device back together. Make sure everything lines up and then give it all a squeeze and put your key back in there and you are finished. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have videos for almost every device from every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.